Hello viewers and crypto community, welcome back with an amazing project. So dear friends, today I have brought an amazing and groundbreaking project for the crypto loving community, that is Loin AI. Welcome to the jungle of innovation. Welcome to the Loin coin, your next rower in the world of meme coin. So dear friends, in this video I am going to explain what is Loin AI and what is Loin coin and how can you buy it, and I will explain the platform where you can buy and where this amazing coin is going to be listed. So in this video you will be get all the information regarding this amazing project, so don't miss any part of the video. This video is going to be very informative, but before we delve into further details, I would request all my viewers, if you are new on my YouTube channel Crypto Review, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. So dear friends, in this way you will be able to get the notifications of the further upcoming videos. So dear friends, remember that I am not your financial advisor. This video is being made only for information. So if you are going to invest your money, please do your own research before investment. So here is Loin AI. Loin coin is a wild new meme token taking over the BNB smart chain. So here you can see roaring into Web3, loading the meme 4.0 revolution in a saturated meme coin jungle. Loin AI rises like a beast unleashed, blending the king power of the Loin with cutting edge artificial intelligence born on the blazing fast BNB chain. That is not just a meme, it's a movement. Here is contract address given, just copy and start trading. You can buy, link is given. You can check our Telegram community, later I will explain. And now we will explain how Loin AI is triggering FOMO across crypto. So dear friends, it's built in AI, detects trends, auto generates memes and goes viral across Twitter, TikTok, Telegram. Fair launch, no pre-sale, no private sale, 100% fair launch, zero insider advantage. Expanding ecosystem, Loin bought NFTs, AI memes generator, staking airdrops and more unique features. You can check roar to earn, post memes, go viral, earn Loin AI. The louder you roar, the more you earn, and the strategic roadmap from DEX to Tier CEX listing with full audit and KY transparency. Moon mission, Loin AI is not for the slow movers. When this line charges, the whole jungle feels it, and the times it charges a rocket straight to the moon. You hold, we roar, let the market tremble. So dear friends, token name is Loin AI, chain is BNB smart chain, first exchange. So dear friends, it's going to be listed on amazing platform. Here you can see, and I will explain from where platform you can get it. It's going to be listed on OKX, Gate and MaxC and 4meme. It's also going to be listed on DEX tools, DEX screener, and you can buy now. So dear friends, remember, it is going to be listed on OKX, Gate and MaxC and 4meme, and I will explain how can you buy it from 4meme. So this video is going to be informative. So dear friends, here you can see that Loin AI BNB smart chain is available on 4.meme. So first of all, you will have to connect your wallet. Here you can see, if you want to trade, if you want to buy, if you want to hold, you will have to first of all connect your wallet. Here you can see that you can connect Quantum wallet, MetaMask wallet, Phantom or any other wallet which is feasible to BNB chain, and after connecting the wallet you can make trade. Here you can see you can buy and you can sell. So dear friend, here you can see that BNB, it's available 0.1 BNB is minimum required to buy it, and you can go maximum. Here you can see we will select 1 BNB, and here you can see that if we have 1 BNB we will receive. Here you can see the figure, dear friends. I am pointing in circle 15954,286.99 LON AI. So here is other details available. So dear friends, you can see that there are 111235483 LON AI still available for sale in the bonding curve, and there is 14.69156 BNB raised amount. When the market cap reaches 77.297 is the liquidity from the bonding curve will be deposited into the pancake swap and locked. So here you can check the bonding curve progress is 86.10%, a massive and handsome figure. Here you can see LON AI roaring into Web3, and here you can check the total supply. So dear friends, here you can check total supply. Here you can check the liquidity pool token 20%, and other details are available. So don't miss the chance, be part of this project. And here you can check the price chart, and here you can see that it's going to up and up, and here you can check market cap, virtual liquidity and volume. Here you can check the creation time. So all detail is available. So here you can check 1 day, 4 hour and 1 hour chart, and here you can see in a 1 day chart you are seeing that it's going up and up, it's going green and green. So early adopters will be in the profit, and there are many opportunities to get handsome profit. And here you can check the trades and comments, and here you can check the details. So dear friends, I would suggest to all my viewers to be part of this project. This project is going to be full of opportunities. So and now we will discuss the amazing feature of LON AI. Here is LON AI Telegram community. I would suggest to all my viewers to join the Telegram and Twitter community. Stay updated, join Telegram community, engage with devs and win airdrops. The community is the heart of LON AI. So dear friends, join this community and get the real-time updates. And here is amazing Twitter page of LON AI. Get the latest tweets, giveaways, memes and viral content that keep the LON roaring across crypto Twitter. So dear friends, don't miss your chance to ride the meme wave with utility, power and purpose. Join LON AI and this power and purpose. Join LON AI where every holder is king. So it's amazing platform and it's amazing LON AI project. It is already listed on top tier platform like OKX, Gate, Maxi and 4.meme. That's big league status. So thank you for watching the video, and at the end I would suggest to do your own research before investment. If you have found this video useful, please don't forget to like and share the video. And if you have any question in your mind, please don't forget to drop your question in the comment section, and all the necessary links are pasted in the description of the video. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.